So, a bit of a miserable day in town here, but on my way to try and help a gull that apparently has been trapped for 2 weeks. Obviously, the finder's been feeding it, but I'll let you know how we get on.
These are my favourite types of rescues. First of all, you usually get more than one chance to catch the animal because it's contained. Second of all, usually the animal's going to be very healthy and oftentimes it's just going to be relocated, but they're a high success rate, so I love these kinds of rescues. Birds do better transported in cardboard boxes than in carriers, so to keep this one dry, I put it in a black sack for a little while. Once I was transporting the bird, it was out of the black sack so that I had plenty of ventilation and air. As you'll hear, members of the public can get very attached to these animals and can get quite emotional and are delighted when we help.
My God. Oh my God, that's going to cry.
So this bird had been trapped for a couple of weeks and the finder had done a great job of feeding it, but it needed to go to leases for just emergency accommodation, and then it got taken down to Kildare Wildlife Rescue where it will learn to fly and get a bit stronger and all the rest of it. Kildare Wildlife Rescue got a call about a cormorant that was trapped in an apartment's gardens and couldn't take off, so I headed over to North Dublin to check it out. Well, if I can catch him.
Where are you taking him?
Well, if I catch him.
Oh, if you catch him?
If I catch him, I might not be able to catch him.
I don't think
I'll be able to catch him, but we'll give it our best shot. And what I'll do is I'll.
How long was it?
Not long enough. Yeah, so you see the size of him. So that means. So just stop looking at him, will you? Because he can see you looking at him, yeah. And he's getting stressed out by it. No, that's okay. Look at that for a relocation site. Cormorant's just looking fantastic in the water. Couldn't have gone better. Delighted. Right, so that cormorant has been released back. I mean, just the most ideal place. I knew about this place because I did a rescue here a while ago. You know, you've been doing rescue a long time when you start doubling up on locations. This is called Fox's Lane in North Dublin, and it looks over at Howth over there. So, delighted with how that went. On to the next one. Then I went to Dublin 8 to pick up this gull that was trapped for a week in the finder's garden.
As you can see, I have chicken in.
So on the topic of previous rescues, over this way, I've gotten gull chicks out of the chimney over and over and over. There's a video that I'll put in the link. And over this way, Janice and I caught a peregrine falcon.
Where's he going? Down, 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 down. Yes!
Also a video available, so check that out. So that's all the gulls taken care of. The cormorant relocated, so now it's over to Lisa's to drop them off when she's going to mind them till tomorrow.
Resident heron is up on the roof, probably waiting for a feed from her.
So please support Kildare Wildlife Rescue so you can see more animals go from this to this and from this to this. Please support Kildare Wildlife Rescue any way that you can. Like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks a million.